How to send message on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send message on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is simply open up your TikTok application. Of course, I'll open it up and this will take you to your For You page. Now, how to send messages on TikTok? Well, first you need to select a person to whom you want to send the message to. So let's say that I want to send message to this person right here. I just saw their TikTok. Now, there are two ways to send a message. The first way is that you can click on this option right here, which is the third option, the share option right here after the comments. So you can just click on it and it will open up a bunch of different options for you. So we have copy link, we have WhatsApp, and then we have message. Now I can send this TikTok as a message to my followers and friends. So this is a way how you can share a TikTok through messages. Now I'll just, click on message and it will open up my TikTok messages for me, and I'll be able to send message to anyone. I'll be able to share a TikTok. Now let's go back and I'll show you how to send a message to this person, the one I am watching TikTok of. So you need to go to their profile now. Now, big shout out to this person, and this is just a random profile that I'm using. Now, what you need to do is you will have to go to their profile. So on your profile, what you need to do is you need to click on these three dots right here at the top corner of the screen. Click on these three dots, and now again, I have a message option where I can send this profile as a message. And then we have these options right here. I have report, block, and send message. So I'll click on send message, and now I'll be able to send message to this person. So I can just type in whatever message I want to send, and then I'll click on the send button right here, which is this pink one, and I'll be able to send them this message. There you go. So this is how we can send messages on TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.